Hi everyone, Narendra here. In this session, let's discuss a very important string coding interview question. Yes, that is reverse of words in a string. For example, we are having a string called as, let's say, input will be God is great. So output will come great is God. You see, each word is reversing. Okay. So this program I am going to explain in a normal coding, and also I will explain alternatively by using Java 8 coding, that is Java Stream API or Lambda expression. I will show you in two ways. Okay. Let's understand. For example, here str will be like this. Okay. God is great. Okay. So here it will print the out. This is the input. The output will print great is God. Okay. So you see this is the sentence with these are the space. Two space is there, right? Anyways, if will this sentence if will break into a string of arrays. Okay. There is a method called split. If will call that str dot split and will pass that space. Okay. Then it will give a string of arrays. It will give the result will be like this. Okay, a string of arrays, and in that we will have this three word. Okay, God is, then great. What you will do, the string of array will print from here to here. That means this is 0th index, this is 1 index, this is 2 index. So we will print from highest index to lowest index. Then it will be the normal way, and this is the fast way. And second way, I will use Stream API. I will use Stream API, that Java 8 coding. Let's see the program. Okay. So here I will write a class called demo, and I need this public static void main method. Okay, let's do one thing. I will have a string str equal to, let's say, God is great. Okay, and now I will write a method. Okay, my reverse method. I will say any name you can give, my reverse of string. That method will take this original string and it will return the reverse string. It will return a string of reverse. It will be return a reverse string. I will say like this. And what I will do, so let once it will be written, I will print it. I will say reverse of words is, I will say new line, then I will print that. Okay. So let's create a separate method where we will write the logic. Okay. So you see this separate method will be created, and here it is taking that original string and returning the reverse string. Here we will write the logic to do so. So what I will do, I will call that original string str dot split. The split method if will call with space, it will return a string of words. You see. So I will say it is a string of words, means array of string. So let's say I will give words. Okay. Then what I will do, I will create a for loop to iterate it, and I will say int I equal to, if I'll say words of length, this words length, if I'll say the words is 3, the length will be 3, but I wanted to iterate. This is 0 index, this is 1, this is 2. So I want to read from the 2 index. So length minus 1 I will give. Length will be 3. Length minus 1 will be 2. So I greater than equal to 0. Then I will say I minus minus. So here each time in each iterations I value will be decreased by 1. Okay. Now what I will do, I will take a temp variable. I will say string buffer temp equal to, or I can say reverse equal to string buffer. So here each time what I will do, I will add this reverse equal to reverse plus words of I. So initially this I will be 2, then it will be decreased. Okay. So you see, it will be new string buffer, actually new string buffer. One object will be created and that will be initialized. What is the error? Reverse to string. Okay. So you see here, this is a string. Okay. This is a string and we don't have plus operator in the string, so we need to use append, actually dot append, because plus only we can do in string, but it's a string buffer. So we need to do like this: reverse dot append, we will say words of I. Okay. So each time we are iterating from the last index it will be keep on adding, and then the index will be decreased fast. It will be 2, then 1, then 0, like this. Then finally we'll return this reverse. And you see, this is a string buffer, our return type is string, so we need to convert to string. That's all. So this method will print the reverse of string. If we run it, you see it's showing God is great. Sorry, great is God, but there is no space, because each time we are appending, we are not appending that words, because in this words we are having 3 words without any space. So each time we are appending, let add one space. Okay. If we'll do so, it will come as God is great. You see, great is God, it is becoming reverse. If I'll say Naren Java helpline, so it will reverse. You see, line help Java Naren, anything you will give, it will reverse. So this is one approach. Okay. So this is fast approach, you can say fast approach, fast way. And second way is, let's do in second way, that is by using Java 8 coding. Okay. Java 8 or using Stream API. Okay. The second way, how to do that? So what I will do, I will split this. Okay, I will split this, and this I will get the string of words, right? If we'll pass this list of string in a, there is a method called arrays dot as list. Okay, any list here you will pass. So this is returning a list of string, right? Any list you will pass, it will give a any array you will pass here. It is a string array, right? It is a string array, it is returning a string array. Any array you will pass, it will give a list. So as list method will return a list. You see, any string of arrays you are passing, any array you will pass, it will give a list. So that, let me hold in a list. So this will be a list of string. So this will be a list of string, I can say like this, list of string. Okay, here we got words, that is a string array. Here we got a list of string. Okay, list string I will say. Okay, so let me import this. Okay, so here this list of string, on top of it, if you call this stream method, it will give a stream object. Why you are calling this stream method? Because we wanted to apply that reverse. Okay, so to do reverse method, we can actually already mapped, it's mapped already to a string object, no need to map. So the intermediate object, we can call this reduce method. What it will do, it will take one element and it will concatenate with another element. Okay, one string with another string, and whenever it will concatenate, it will do in reverse order. That means we are having two string. Okay, we are having two string called s1 comma s2. Okay, this is the, and what we will do, we will do append. Whenever we are appending s2 plus s1, like this we will do. And you see, okay, after that, you see this reduce method, it is returning a optional object. We need to get a real string. So how to get that? If you call this get method, it will give you one string. So this will be your yeah, reverse string, actually your reverse string. And instead of, so we can return this reverse string directly. Okay, you see, here also we are not doing anything for the space, so it will print, you see, line help Java Naren without any space. So each time we are reversing, right, we can add one space here. Okay, so not here, we can add whenever we are concatenating. Here we will add, I will say like this. So now s2 will be added, then one space, then s1. You see, anything you will pass. If you will pass here, welcome to Naren Java helpline. It will print Naren Java helpline to welcome something. You see, Naren Java helpline to welcome. So this is the, by using, this is the updated code. Actually, we can, this is the optimization way, we can do this way. Okay, so these two way. So if interviewer will ask by using Java 8 coding, so you write this coding. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If any doubt, please let me know in a comment section. Put a comment, I will respond it. And meanwhile, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to my channel, like my video, so that it will be motivate me. So if you like my videos also, you can give a comment, so that you suggest me any new video you want, I will create for you. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Bye.